Hey, yo, Dave, where you going, man? I don't want to catch that Busy Bee Express train, man. Oh, man, I gotta catch that, man. Got girls on it, got all the black guys on it. We cooling out. Oh, it's the Express. Going Express. I'm out of here. See ya. Hop aboard. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, we going all the way to the East Coast, to the West Coast, to the... Oh, man, we going all over on this one. We going Express all the way. This is Busy Bee, my man Jazzy J. Hey, Pimpy, I call him Pimpy. Song goes a little something like this, right? Kick off your shoes and relax your socks, because Busy Bee is just about ready to rock. And before I go and before I quit, I'm going to play a funky beat that goes something like this. Put your hand on your hip, I make your backbone slip. Put the pedal to the metal, feet with the beat, get down. Stop that messing around. Chief Rocker Busy Bee is throwing down. What you doing over there, man? Get up. Dance, sucker. Hey. Oh, yeah, I like that one, too. All right, we about to get to a real thing. I want everybody to clap your hands now. Come on now. Somebody go, ooh, ah, come on. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Say, ooh, ah, ah. Somebody say, wind me up, ah. Come on. Hey, somebody say, yeah. You the sucker. The microphone, and I'm never ever gonna leave it alone when I'm cooling out, rocking on the microphone while you dance in the corner alone, while you kick off your shoes and relax your feet, and while you groove with Pimpy and Busy Bee. Now dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker. Hoo! Ha ha! Hey Tim, that was real smooth the way I played that, right? Ha! Oh, for my DJ, hey Pimpin', I said scratch. Oh man, scratch it up, Pimpin', scratch it, scratch. Cool. That's my DJ, scratch it up, Pimpin', dance, sucker. Woo. Ha ha. Before I go and before I quit, I gotta rap some more of this Busy Bee shit. You don't care if I'm the one, so brace yourself and let's have some fun. Cause from the streets of California to the shores of Maine, people there love the way I run my game. Cause I got style and I got class, and I don't pop my rap too fast. Got a PhD and a master's degree, being talked about over coffee and tea. Now dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker, dance, sucker. Ha ha! Hey, yo, B, get off the